Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to fix this phone number cannot be used to verify for verification. If you are trying to do verification and your phone number is not able to do that, in today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to do it. So first off, if you're coming across this channel, please just subscribe to this channel. Let's dive right into the video. First, you need to go to your Google. On your Google, after doing that, you need to click the specific that is linked to the phone number you are trying to use on the specific app. So after doing that, you're going to click in on Google account. On your Google account here, you're going to click in on personal info and clicking on phone number. On your phone number here, you need to go ahead and click on one of the phone number and you can be able to edit the phone number. So you are going to be able to click on the pencil here, or you can also go ahead and delete the number and add a new one. So that is it on how you can actually fix the upload. If you found this helpful because of kind of end of this video, please just subscribe to this channel. Comment in the comment section if you guys find anything difficult on this channel. I won't say to give you guys feedback. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.